Mitosis, drawn by Jasira Navarro and voiced by Julia Hubert. To begin with, what is mitosis? According to Google, mitosis is the process of a cell division that produces two genetically identical daughter cells from one parent cell. It is essential to life because it provides new cells for growth and replace the old and dying cells. Although all cells can divide, only somatic cells undergo mitosis. The first stage of the process is interphase. It's the longest part of the stage. The cell begins to grow and carries out normal cell processes. The second stage is prophase. It is the starting stage of cell division. The first two stages. In this stage, the nucleus disappears and the chromosome condenses. And lastly, the spindle apparatus begins to form between the poles. Next is metaphase. In this phase, the chromosome attaches the spindle apparatus and align themselves along the equator of the cell. The fourth stage is antiphase. In this stage, the chromatin are pulled apart, which results separation of replicated DNA. Moving on, telophase. The chromosome results the poles of the cell. The nuclear envelope returns as well. The nuclear reappears, decondense. The final stage is called cytokinesis. In the final stage, the cell cytoplasm divides, resulting two cells with individual nuclei. Without mitosis, there wouldn't be growth or repair in the body, meaning living organisms wouldn't have the ability to heal or grow.